make a quick short video of the jack points that I found out on this, or I stumbled upon on this vehicle. The first of all, do this at your own risk. Always use extra precaution, like a jack underneath and a jack stand, and when you take off your tires, put it underneath the car and stuff like that. So always do it at your own risk. Don't try to blame me if something happens. It's just a friendly advice. This is what worked out for me, and then you guys can try it if you want. If not, just take it and leave it, I guess. But the four main jack points, according to the manuals, are one over here. These little stuff that kind of sticks out underneath this little platform, kind of. So there's one in each corner. There's that one. So that's where you would put your scissor jack that came with the car. If your tire went flat, you would put it accordingly to each side. But I've tried jacking it up with just a regular jack, and then I found out that sometimes it kind of bends. So I bought this little rubber piece that kind of, has a slot that goes in there, and then I found out that this kind of cracked. And then I found out this this little area right there where I got it where I got the stance on right now seems to be holding up fine. This is usually where like a cross member is usually where I would jack up my other vehicles right there. But this one is pretty much hard to find compared to a lifted off-road vehicle over there, or SUV over there. If you have a low profile jack right there, you can slide it under the car and try to jack it up straight over there. But I know the jack is not gonna give me space to put jack stands that close to each other, so I just jacked up each side, one over there, one over here. And yeah, it seems to be holding up fine. It's been on there for about a day, I believe, and no bends, no cracks, or the height or the car hasn't dropped or anything. It's a thick, solid piece of steel, and it's reinforced. That one, there's a steel going on. There's a piece of steel that's going straight up, so it's not only flat and curved up, there's like a reinforcement over there, so I put it over there. And I just put this over here, seeing how that was able to hold its place. And then I was I was like, why not? This is gonna work. So this is some of the jack points that worked out for me. You guys can give it a try if you guys are gonna do your work and haven't found any jack points on your car, other than each side, the scissor jack slots over there. I would recommend doing it over there, but I want the whole thing up because I was doing the front end suspension, so I wanted the whole thing off the ground. So I didn't want to put I couldn't lift that side and put a jack stand over there because it was not that much space over there. So this is what worked out for me.